Sambal is a chili paste widely popular in Malaysia. As a Malaysian, we put sambal on top of nearly everything. Nasi lemak, mee goreng, prawn mee, and even stir fry with a varieties of spicy dishes. Now, many Malaysians can't live without sambal. They even carry the sambal wherever they go, be it a vacation abroad or a business trip. So in this video, I want to share with you how to make sambal. And I'll take a bet that you will hook on it after the first bite like everyone else. Let's get into the details. Let's start by blending the onions and garlic. I blend the onion and garlic with some oil with an electric blender. Alternatively, you can chop the onions and garlic finely, but using the blender is a much more efficient method. During the process, you may need to add a little bit of water should the ingredients is too dry to move freely in the blender. Then remove it from the blender and put it into a pan and set it aside. Next, let's prepare the dry chili. I use the fresh chili and also the dry chili. Both chili have slightly different flavors. You can use either one of them, which is your personal preference. Most people in Malaysia do not remove the seeds as they used to hot and spicy food. But of course, you can do so if you can't take hot food. Since the dry chili is quite difficult to blend, you need to place the dry chili in hot water and boil it for 10 minutes until it is fully hydrated and soft. The softened dry chili is much easier to blend into a paste. Remove the water by putting the chili in a wire mesh strainer and it's now ready to use. There's no need to boil the fresh chili. Just cut them into sections and put it into the blender together with the dry chili with some oil. You may need to add some water if the chilies do not move freely in the blender. Now the chili paste is ready and that's how it looks like. The next item is the tamarind juice. Soak a tablespoon of tamarind pulp in hot water to extract the flavor. You can use the ready-made tamarind paste if you don't have tamarind pulp. Shred some palm sugar from the block or can substitute with just brown sugar. Next, dry shrimps. Soften the dry shrimp by soaking in water for 15 minutes. Then drain off the water. Blend the dry shrimp with a spice grinder until it looks like meat floss, as there's no need to blend it until very fine. This is Belacan. It's a type of fermented shrimp paste added with salt. It is widely used in Malaysian cuisine and has a strong umami. The flavor is enhanced if you dry roast it. It is done when the color turns slightly darker and the belacan breaks up to become large granules. Once we get everything ready, now we can start to combine all the ingredients in the pan. Saute the onion and garlic over low to medium heat, which will take about 5 minutes before it becomes dry. Eventually, the onion will start to turn slightly brown and fragrant. Add the dry shrimp, the belacan, and the palm sugar. You also notice that the onion paste has now become thicker and the amount is reduced nearly by half from the initial volume. Now add the chili paste to the pan. And if you find that it's too thick, add a little bit extra water. Add the tamarind juice to the sambal. Let it simmer over low heat for at least 30 minutes. The simmering process will ensure that the chili is not only fully cooked, but also remove any raw taste that remains. Season the sambal with some salt. When the sambal turns thicker and darker and drier, and eventually will begin to separate the oil from the paste. When you see the red oil starting bubbling around the paste, as it is shown, it is done. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope you like this sambal recipe. If you want to download the recipe, I've included the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. I'll see you again in some other similar video very soon in the future, and bye for now.